For those looking to make money in an easily accessible way, apps provide plenty of avenues to consider. You can use your smartphone to take surveys, pick up a side gig, sell your unwanted stuff, and more. Here's the scoop on 7 free money-making apps. Our YouTube channel, Technology Updates, considered apps with at least 4 stars and 25,000 reviews in both Google Play and the iOS App Store. The first website on our list is Ibotta. It lets you earn cash back on in-store and online purchases at over 2,000 supported retailers. Originally for groceries, it has expanded to include clothing, entertainment, and eating out, pet supplies, and other categories. For others, you'll need to complete an additional task, such as watching a video or taking a poll. There are 3 possible ways to earn cash back in stores. Add offers and submit your receipt in the app after your shopping trip. Link your retailer loyalty accounts or purchase a retailer gift card through the Ibotta app. For online purchases, you shop through the app or with the Ibotta browser extension on your computer. Ibotta pays via PayPal, digital gift card, or direct to a bank account. You'll receive your cashback on in-store purchases within 24 hours. Ibotta also offers a welcome bonus to new users, referral bonuses, and a variety of payment methods. Racket rewards shoppers with up to 40% cashback on purchases from well-known retailers, restaurants, and food delivery services. Users can also earn cashback on travel, gift cards, and more. It's straightforward. Create an account, tap on the store where you want to shop in the app, then make the transaction through the portal. You can also link a credit or debit card to your Racket account to earn cashback in store, as long as you activate the deal through the app first. Racket credits the cashback to your account after it confirms the purchase with the retailer, which it says can take a few hours to several days. Racket pays via PayPal or check. Thousands of stores and purchases are eligible for cashback, so you'll likely find deals where you already shop. New users can earn a $10 welcome bonus after their first qualified purchase. You can also earn sign-up and referral bonuses. Swagbucks is a cashback and rewards app. You earn points called SB by shopping, taking polls, watching videos, playing games, or fulfilling other tasks through Swagbucks. You can redeem those points for gift cards or get cash back to your PayPal account. The total points awarded can vary by task. For example, surveys are typically worth about 40 to 200 SB points each. The minimum balance required to redeem depends on the payout option you choose, but some gift cards are available for as low as 110 SB. Swagbucks pays via a gift card or PayPal. Payments usually arrive within 10 business days after redemption. You can also get a $10 bonus with a qualifying $25 purchase when you join. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace that features gigs in over 200 categories, such as programming and video and animation. Create an account first, then you can set your profile as a seller, highlighting your expertise. Post the gig you're offering, which will include pricing and a description of your services. Clients, known as buyers, can click through and place orders. You'll get paid once you complete the job. Fiverr assigns seller levels based on performance. As you move up each tier, you'll be able to sell more extras, such as a faster delivery time. Fiverr pays via PayPal, direct to a bank account, or credit to a Fiverr revenue card, a prepaid card. Minimum withdrawal amounts vary, and you may be charged a withdrawal fee, depending on which option you choose. You don't have to worry about tracking down buyers because they come to you. You can also earn tips from your buyers. Upwork connects freelancers to gigs in writing, design, marketing, and other categories on the marketplace. First, you'll create a profile. It should include information such as the field you're interested in plus your qualifications, availability, and desired rate. Then you can submit proposals. Clients will review them and offer projects if you seem like a good fit. You begin each month with a set number of connects, which are like credits that allow you to contact prospective clients. You can earn or pay a small sum for more connects, but you won't be charged when clients contact you. You can get paid on an hourly or per project basis. Upwork pays via direct to US Bank, direct to your bank account, wire transfer, instant pay, PayPal, and Payoneer. Upwork helps take the work out of seeking out clients, establishing relationships, and getting paid. The service also gives you the flexibility to set your preferred rate and schedule. The Poshmark app is tailor-made for selling clothes, accessories, and even home decor. After signing up, you take or upload photos of your item, fill out a description, price it, and share the listing. You can also feature items in the app's Posh Parties, which are virtual shopping events centered around particular brands, categories, and themes. Poshmark emails you a prepaid shipping label once a purchase is made. Then you send the package. The Poshmark app pays via check or direct deposit to a bank account. Poshmark facilitates the entire process, from selling to shipping. Plus, you don't have to meet with strangers to make a sale. The company will cover lost packages and handle issues between you and the buyer. Getting paid is relatively quick, too. Poshmark issues the money within 3 days of the buyer receiving the order. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. Now, if you found the content useful, don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to our channel to help us obtain more subscribers and weekly stuff like this. Thanks for watching, and until the next video, guys, this is Rachel signing out.